ready to turn your passion into support and make a real difference. Let's build your GoFund campaign together. First, open your web browser and search for GoFund.com. This will take you to the official GoFund homepage. On the homepage, you'll see a prominent button that says Start a GoFund. Click on that to begin the creation process. You'll likely be prompted to log in or create a new account. Follow the on-screen instructions to get set up, which usually involves your email address. Now comes the heart of your campaign, the what are you raising funds for section. This is where you'll clearly and concisely state the purpose of your fundraising. Next, it's time to craft your compelling story. Be genuine and explain why this cause is important to you and who it will help. Then, set a realistic fundraising goal that reflects your needs. Personalize your page by adding photos or a video that visually represent your story and connect with potential donors on an emotional level. Once your campaign is ready, hit publish. GoFund makes it easy to share your page. You can share directly via email, social media, or by copying a unique link. Now, spread the word to your friends, family, and your broader network. Every share and every donation brings you closer to achieving your goal and making an impact. Remember, a well-told story and consistent sharing are key to a successful GoFund. Good luck.